No, we're actually shooting a video, but thank you so much. She was kind of mean to me. She's being nice to me now. All right, I got my mic on. Hopefully that's helping this video out because we're in the wind.
Yeah.
And we're walking along, Ed and I. Here's Ed. Ed, wave hi. Wave hi. Ed's here. And we get stopped. We're shocked. We're like, what is this car? I'm gonna turn around. Well, why don't you first tell him what you did, and then I'll show it to you. He's got a YouTube channel too. Go ahead.
Yeah. My name's Dave Colvin. It's a 98. No.
He's got a whole bunch. It happens to me too. It's like a senior moment. How old are you? How old are you?
51.
I'm 54. Isn't it bad? Once you turn 50, you just forget everything.
It's an XJ8.
XJ8.
Yes. It was a four-door. A tree fell on it.
Oh, is that what happened?
It was my uncle's car. Low mileage. Nice car. And junkyards only give him $100 for it.
You're kidding?
Yeah.
For parts?
Yeah, it brand new Pirellis he just put on it. So I bought it off of him to part it out, and then I found.
Did you ever tell the viewers how much you paid for it?
No.
Okay, you don't have. You know, I'm not gonna. You don't have to.
I mean, I paid him more than $100 for it.
101.
Yeah. Well,
that's funny.
More
You got a good deal.
I got a good deal. But so I found everything to like fix it.
Right now, you guys are hearing us talk about this, and like, why is Will featuring this car? It's a Jaguar. What's the big deal? It's a Jaguar. Well, let's turn the camera around.
Yeah.
Tell them what your YouTube channel is first.
My YouTube channel is just under my name, Dave Colvin, C-O-L-V-I-N.
Dave Colvin.
But I did a like 4 or 5 part episode of what I did to this, and you'll see the build.
Oh, it's like 5 videos?
It's 4 or 5.
Oh, that's not that many.
Yeah.
I did 550 on one car. Yeah, I'm bipolar 1 though. That explains everything.
Yeah.
All right, so let me turn it around and let's take a peek at the tail end of this baby.
This is when Ford was involved with it. So
yeah.
There you go.
Yep.
So there's a little bit of the Mustang. So
he slightly customized it. Check it out.
Yeah. I made the XJ8.
Yeah, beautiful XJ8.
And a tree fell on it long ways.
Tree fell on it long ways.
Crushed it.
Oh, you put that all back together?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this, guys.
I found a hood, and I found a fender and a headlight and another trunk lid and all the chrome I could steal off a car to U-Port for $120. So that's when I started playing with it.
Look at what he did to this Jaguar. Jaguar or Jaguar?
Jaguar.
Jaguar?
I don't know.
They say Jaguar. I hear Jaguar and then I hear Jaguar, but I think it's Jaguar.
I made
The Europeans call it Jaguar. Look at that. Hello, it's got those little cables and everything.
This is Dodge, second-gen Dodge tailgate stuff.
Second-gen Dodge tailgate.
These hinges are off of a 1800 Volvo sport car door hinges.
You were a custom guy. How long did it take you to do this?
3 months.
3 months?
There's 180 feet of welding in that car.
You counted the feet?
Yep, I measured it after I got done. Yeah, 180 feet.
180 feet of welding. I've never heard of counting the feet. That's kind of cool.
Well, because there's so much to it.
Yeah.
But these quarters from here back, I had to get another Jag quarter to sculpt that in to make that level.
Wow, good job.
Jags dive in the back.
Yeah. Nice job.
Roof's an F-150.
It's partly Ford. No, it actually is Ford.
The back window's a mid-80s Toyota pickup. And the gas lid door, which should be up here on a Jag, is off of a Ford Explorer.
You want to open it up for him? Let me see the interior. Nice job.
And this is on a Jag. Everything's Jag, drive line, nothing's changed. All the emissions are still exactly the way they should be.
Wow, amazing. Okay, I just had to show and showcase because it's so custom. Good job.
Yeah.
So check him out. Subscribe to his channel. We all like subscribers. Show him some love, MustangMedic style, and there's a pickup Jag. You never know what you're gonna see. Like again, I say that often. Good job. Restoration.